Hey food lovers! Welcome back to another mouthwatering episode. If you're anything like me, steaks are the ultimate indulgence. There's just something about that perfect sear, the juicy interior, and the rich, savory flavor that makes steak a true culinary delight. Today, I'm taking you on a savory journey to explore 5 of the best steaks you simply must try. These aren't just any steaks, they are the epitome of luxury and flavor. Let's dive right in and discover what makes these steaks so special. First up, we've got the legendary Wagyu beef from Japan. This isn't just any steak, it's the king of all steaks. Wagyu beef is renowned worldwide for its exceptional quality and taste. Known for its intense marbling and melt-in-your-mouth texture, Wagyu is an experience you won't forget. The marbling ensures that each bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. It's a bit pricey, but hey, it's worth every penny. The meticulous care and feeding of the cattle contribute to its high cost, but the taste is unparalleled. Next on the list, we jet set over to Argentina for the Bife de Chorizo. This succulent sirloin is a staple in Argentine cuisine. It's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Grilled to perfection, it's known for its rich flavor and tender bite. The Argentine grilling technique, known as asado, brings out the best in this cut. Pair it with a glass of Malbec, and you're in for a treat. The robust flavors of the wine complement the steak beautifully. Now let's head to the USA for the classic Porterhouse Steak. This beast of a cut includes both the tenderloin and the strip steak. It's a favorite for those who want the best of both worlds. It's like having 2 steaks in one. The tenderloin offers a buttery texture, while the strip steak provides a robust, beefy flavor. Best enjoyed medium rare, it's a carnivore's dream come true. The perfect balance of tenderness and flavor makes it a standout choice. Fourth on our list is the Chateaubriand from France. This luxurious cut is taken from the center of the beef tenderloin. It's often reserved for special occasions due to its exquisite taste and texture. It's incredibly tender and usually served with a rich béarnaise sauce. The sauce adds a creamy, tangy element that enhances the steak's natural flavors. Fine dining at its best. The presentation and ambiance elevate the entire dining experience. Finally, let's not forget the tomahawk steak from Australia. This massive ribeye is named for its resemblance to a tomahawk axe. Its long bone and impressive size make it a showstopper. With its impressive presentation and intense flavor, it's perfect for those special occasions when you want to impress. The marbling and bone-in cooking method ensure a juicy, flavorful steak. So there you have it, folks. 5 of the best steaks from around the world that you absolutely must try. Each one offers a unique taste experience that reflects its country of origin. Whether you're a seasoned steak lover or just starting your journey, each of these cuts offers a unique and unforgettable experience. From the luxurious Wagyu to the impressive tomahawk, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. Your support helps us bring you more tasty adventures. Until next time, happy eating. Enjoy your culinary journey and savor every bite.